quarterback in the process. So by all accounts, is a very serious injury to Mackenzie Milton. In the second quarter on this, also the immediate aftermath because it just watch Milton lay on the ground for some time. His leg was broken. He was taken to a local hospital in Tampa. His season certainly is over. In just a moment, the Knights were leading USF 7-0 when the injury occurred. Their back replaced Milton on Saturday. Had to change the game plan, passing to the back to the run, and the Knights, as if they're rallying behind this, made things happen. Greg McCray rushing for 3 touchdowns and 81 yards. His scoring game on runs of 40, 39, and 31 yards. South Florida at one time then has scored 17-10, but the Knights got on the gas. Rushing as a team for 392 yards. Now 44 consecutive victories and a date in the AAC title game next weekend against Memphis. And after the conversation turned to Milton's condition, was in Tampa.
Wrapped up the division title last week in the win over Cincinnati. UCF was playing to extend their winning streak to 24 games and knock off rival USF. They pushed that by winning 38-10. They may have lost their starting quarterback to injury. Mackenzie Milton left the game in the second quarter to an apparent knee injury. And head coach Josh Heupel had no update on it.
Obviously, traumatic injury on the field. All the thoughts and prayers are with him right now. I'm not going to discuss anything right now until medically I get more information. So all the thoughts and prayers are with him at this time. It's a very, very emotional week. I'm always around him. Just say that it's just the coverage so that have to be the to the whole team. We all right around and try to use that as an organization.
Greg McCray had 3 rushing touchdowns, and Daryl Mack did a fine job replacing Milton after his injury, leading the Knights with 2 touchdown scoring drives, and he's expected now to get the snaps moving forward as Milton's injury is feared to be season-ending. Now 24 straight wins for the Knights. They'll hit Memphis next week in the conference championship.